Before we proceed on our lesson, let us first try your prior knowledge regarding our topic today. Try to understand each item by completing the missing function or syntax to run in SQL. You may write your answer on a sheet of paper. Number 1. What is the missing statement to get all the columns from the employees table? Blank asterisk from employees. Is it A, alter, B, insert, C, select, or D, where? The correct answer is letter C, select. Number 2. Write a statement that will select the city column from the employees table. Blank blank from employees. Is it A, insert and employees, B, insert and city, C, select and employees, or D, select and city? The correct answer is letter D, select and city. Number 3. Select all records where the city column has the value Philippines. Select asterisk from employees blank city equal to blank. Is it A, add and Philippines, B, where and Philippines, C, insert and from, or D, drop and from? The correct answer is letter B, where and Philippines. Number 4. Select all records where the employee ID column has the value 10. Select asterisk from employees, blank employee ID equal blank. Is it A, where and 10, B, where and emp ID, C, select and emp ID, or letter D, alter and 10? The correct answer is letter A, where and 10. For the last item, count all the records in employees table. Select blank asterisk. Is it A, add, B, alter, C, count, or D, insert? The correct answer is letter C, count.